Hello students, myself Shital Baria from Saraswat International Academy. Welcome you to Standard 7 Science class. Today we will learn lesson number 1, Nutrition in Plants. You all know all living organisms need food, and food is a necessary component for surviving. Now let us see the components of food. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. These all components of food are called nutrients. Plants prepare their own food, whereas animals, including humans, cannot. Humans and animals are directly or indirectly dependent on plants. Modes of nutrition in plants. Nutrients help the living organisms to build their bodies, to grow, to repair damaged parts of their bodies, to provide the energy to carry out life processes. Now, let us see the types of nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic, auto. What is auto? Auto means self. Organisms make food by themselves from simple substances and hence they are called autotrophs. Heterotrophic, they depend on others. Organisms take in food prepared by the plants and hence they are known as heterotrophs. Plants prepare food for themselves by using water, carbon dioxide and minerals. Photosynthesis. Food making process in plants is known as photosynthesis. Leaves are the food factories of plants. Leaves are also known as the kitchen of the plants. How does the raw material required reach the leaves? Roots absorb water and minerals present in the soil and transport to the leaves by the vessels which run like pipes in roots, stems, branches. Carbon dioxide from the air is taken through the tiny pores known as stomata present on the surface of the leaves. Green pigment called chlorophyll is present in the leaves which helps to capture the energy of the sunlight. This energy is used to synthesize food. Since the synthesis of food occurs in the presence of sunlight, it is called photosynthesis. Photo means light. Synthesis means to prepare or to make. The solar energy is captured by the leaves and stored in the plant in the form of food. Sun is the ultimate source of energy for all living organisms. All living organisms directly or indirectly depend on the food made by the plants for survival. In the absence of photosynthesis, there would not be any food. Besides food, oxygen, which is essential for the survival of living organisms, is produced during photosynthesis. Life on Earth would be impossible without photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide plus water that in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll give carbohydrate and oxygen. Chlorophyll present in the leaves use carbon dioxide and water in presence of sunlight to synthesize carbohydrates. During the process, oxygen is released. The presence of starch, also a carbohydrate, in the leaves indicate the occurrence of photosynthesis in the plant. We often see red, brown, yellowish colored leaves in our surroundings. These leaves too prepare their own food. Now the question arises how? The large amount of red, brown and other pigments mask the green color, that is the green pigment gets covered by these colors and so the leaves appear red, brown or yellowish. The slippery green patches in ponds and stagnant water bodies are formed by the growth of organisms called algae. Algae is green in color as it contains chlorophyll. and it can also prepare its own food.